What's up, YouTube? Do you want to make a lot of money online without a website, without any list, without any traffic? If so, stay with me. It's coming right up in my review of 60-second sales Tsunami. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Or just go back to The Simpsons. Stop bothering me, okay? Really, it's enough. The guy's so annoying. Does this all the time. Can't stand the guy. Anyway, the way it works here is that if I like a product, I'll give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Lizamina. You're a sweetheart. You can stay as long as you like. She's such a sweetheart. I love this lady. She says the same thing, but I absolutely love her. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, to subscribe means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like the video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we're here on the sales page for 60-second Tsunami. I wanted to show you guys this. I think it's a very, very cool product. And you can see that right now it is on a dime sale, so the price is going up every time. Right now, as I'm speaking, it's about $18. It's very, very cheap. What you're going to get with this is basically 20 ready-made sales videos, each one about 60 seconds long, that you can go ahead and customize very, very easily, and then go and turn around and sell them on other websites or to local businesses. That's how I actually make a lot of my money. I actually sell videos to local businesses. These are very, very cool things. They're designed specifically for use on Instagram or on Facebook or things like that. And they're designed to be short so that you can get the point in and actually get a sale, as opposed to doing these super long sales videos that nobody ever wants to pay any attention to.
Wake up, Jody, wake up. Wake up.
Yeah, kind of like that. Go back to sleep, okay? Wait. So let me talk very briefly about what my bonuses are, because I got some really cool bonuses for you. So first of all, I'm going to give you a list of 4 different marketplaces that you can sell these things on that are not saturated. They're not the Fiverr kind of thing where everybody's on Fiverr and you can't make any money because like everybody's in a race to the bottom. These are untapped resources, basically, that you can actually make some real money at. I'm also going to be giving you a bunch of courses. I'm going to give you my native ads formula. Not that kind of a native. Jeez. Talk about insensitive also. Anyway, native ads formula is actually those articles that you see down below a video where it actually says you may be interested in this also, and then below it says sponsored content, something like that. You're also going to be getting my guide to e-commerce. You're getting my guide to the perfect niches for Instagram, which is going to be, of course, very useful with this business, where you're going to be getting Instagram-ready videos. And I'm also going to give you about 200 HD stock videos that you can use for your own products. So these are very, very cool stuff. And you're going to get exclusively from me for about that cost about $17, $18. It's nothing. Really, it's nothing. But I want to show you right now what you're actually going to be getting, because this is very cool stuff. So let's go here and pull this up. So this is one example. You're actually getting 20 of these. Now, if you don't know how to customize a video in PowerPoint, go ahead and Google it. It's really very, very simple. You can customize in PowerPoint and save it as a video. It's super simple to do. So I'm not going to go over that, but let's take a quick look. This, for example, is an Instagram video. Speaking of Instagram. So this is an Instagram video. Let's take a quick look over here and see what it looks like. So you can see that's a really nicely designed video that is just designed to really capture people's attention. You can go ahead and customize it in just a couple minutes and then sell these things. Literally sell one video to a customer, and you're going to make more than it costs you to buy the thing. So it's pretty much a no-brainer. Uh, and if you pick up any of the upgrades, I'm going to give you 2 weeks per upgrade of direct access to my cell phones. That's really cool as well. Go ahead and grab this. You're absolutely going to love it. It's going to be amazing. Okay, so I kind of tip my hat a little bit over here. Yes, I am going to tip my hat to the product creator. It's a very cool product. For the price, it's really well worth it. I don't know if I spend $97 on it, but definitely for like $17, $18, go and grab this. It's a no-brainer. You're going to absolutely love it.